Good morning. It's a new day. Hope that it is a better day for you. Today we will start chapter 8. It's also about fractions, but today you will see operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Adding and subtracting two fractions. To find the sum, that is the answer of addition, or the difference, answer of subtraction, of two fractions, we must follow these steps. First, the fractions must have the same denominator. If they do not have the same denominator, rewrite the fractions so that they have the same denominator. Of course, by finding LCM, changing the denominator, and then remember to change the numerators. Then, add or subtract only the numerators and write the same denominator. We will see how. Simplify the answer, write it as an irreducible fraction. Let's see the examples. Here we have 4 over 8 plus 1 over 8, same denominator. Then I only add the numerators 4 plus 1, 5, over the same denominator, 5 over 8. It is a simplified fraction, so I do not change it, 5 over 8. Another example, 14 over 5 minus 4 over 5, same denominator. Then I subtract numerators, 14 minus 4, 10. Now 10 over 5, the same denominator. 10 over 5 is not an irreducible fraction, so I divide both by 5, I get 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is equal to 2. As if I'm saying 10 divided by 5, it is 2. More examples. 5 over 6 plus 8 over 24. Different denominators. I make a big line, I find the LCM, and then the LCM is 24. Now 24 divided by 6, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 24 divided by 24, 1. 1 times 8, 8. Now I add 20 plus 8, 28 over the same denominator, 24. 28 over 24. Divide both by 4, I get 7 over 6. This is a simplified fraction, simplest form. 11 over 4 minus 7 over 3. Different denominators, so I find the LCM 12. 12 divided by 4, it is 3. 3 times 11, 33. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 times 7, 28. Now I subtract 33 minus 28 is equal to 5 over the same denominator 12, 5 over 12. Can I simplify it? No, it is an irreducible fraction. 3 minus 6 over 12. 3 alone is 3 over 1 minus 6 over 12. What is the common denominator between 1 and 12? It is 12. 12 divided by 1, 12, times 3, 36. 12 divided by 12, 1, times 6, 6. Then I subtract, it is 30 over 12. Divide both by 6 to simplify, it is 5 over 2. Now 5 over 12 plus 3 over 9. What is the common denominator between 12 and 9? 36. 36 divided by 12, it is 3. 3 times 5, 15. 36 divided by 9, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Then we add. We get 27 over 36. Now 27 and 36, we divide both by 9 to get 3 over 4. This is an irreducible fraction. Copy all of these, please, on your copybook. How about if we want to multiply two fractions? To find the product, that is the answer of multiplication, of two fractions, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But before we do this, it's better for us to simplify before multiplying, if possible. To simplify, we can simplify numerator with denominator, or numerator with denominator from the other fraction, but one from up, one from down. Now 7 over 8 and 3 over 5. I cannot simplify here, so I multiply. 7 times 3, 21, and 8 times 5, 40. 21 over 40. This is a fraction. It is the product of the two fractions, and it cannot be simplified. It is an irreducible fraction. 11 times 3 over 7. 11 alone is 11 over 1 times 3 over 7. Can I simplify here? Also no. Now 11 times 3, 33. 1 times 7, 7. This is the product. 25 over 15 times 16 over 12. Here I can simplify these two together. 25 and 15 divide both by 5, I get 5 over 3. 16 over 12 divide both by 4, I get 4 over 3. Now I can multiply. 5 times 4, 20. 3 times 3, 9. It's better to simplify before, or I will get larger numbers here, and this is not good for me to simplify later. Look here. 13 over 4 times 8 over 39. I can simplify by dividing 13 and 39. Divide 13 and 39 by 13. And I divide 8 and 4, one numerator with another denominator from the other fraction. 8 and 4 divided by 4. Then the answer will be, this one is divided by 13, 1. This one is divided by 13, 3. This one is divided by 4, 2. 4 divided by 4, 1. And I multiply. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. Another example here. 12 over 30 times 5 over 8. I can divide 12 and 8 by 4 and 5 and 30 by 5. Then 12 divided by 4, 3, and 8 divided by 4, 2. 5 divided by 5, 1, and 30 divided by 5, it is 6. Now, 3 times 1, 3. 6 times 2, 12. But 3 over 12 is not an irreducible fraction. We can divide by 3. Then when we divide by 3, we get 1 over 4. This is an irreducible fraction. Read Chapter 8, page 122, parts 1 and 2, page 124, part 1. Make a homework, solve it on the homework copybook, page 127, 5 and 6, page 129, numbers 17, 18, and 19. Hope you enjoy.